Introduction myself. My name is Sasi Kirana, NPM 2331, NPM 233-16073. Computer Engineering Class 23A. Okay, Introduction to Physics Concept. In this physics module, we will explore fundamental concepts such as physical quantities, any speed, velocity, and vector. Understanding these principles is essential for laying a strong foundation in the field of physics. Understanding physical quantities in units. Number 1. Scalar and vector quantities. Learn about the differences between scalar and vector quantities and how they are used to describe the physical world. Number 2. SI units. Explore the international system of units which provides a standardized way of expressing measurement in physics. Number 3. Conversion factor. Understand how to conversion between different units and the significance of doing so in the real world application. Basic unit of measurement. Number 1. Meter, kilogram, second. MKS system. Explore the basic unit of length, mass, and time the form to foundation of the metric system. Number 2. Mole, ampere, candela, SI base units. Understand this important unit used in scientific experiment and engineering applications. Number 3. Conversion to other systems. Learn how to MKS system in converted to other unit system like CGS units and British Imperial units. Derived units and their application. Common derived units. Discover derived units such as velocity, acceleration, force, energy, and power, and their significance in various calculations. Use it in real-world scenarios. Explore how derived units are applied in engineering, technology, and scientific research to solve practical problems and analyze phenomena. Introduction to speed and velocity. Vector. Understanding speed. Explore how speed is a measure of how fast an object is moving and its significance in various everyday and scientific contexts. Number 2. Difference between speed and velocity. Learn to distinction between speed and velocity and how to these concepts are crucial in the study of motion. Number 3. Relevance to kinematics. Understand how speed and velocity play integral roles in the branch of physics that describe motion with considering its causes. Calculating speed and velocity. Formulas for speed and velocity. Learn to mathematical equations used to calculate both speed and velocity in different scenarios. Real-world example. Explore practical example of how speed and velocity calculation are applied in fields such as sports, transportation, in physics. Experiment. Graphical representation. Understand how to represent speed and velocity through graph and interpret the information they convey. Understanding vector and their properties. Magnitude and direction. Understand the significance of magnitude and direction in vector quantities through visual representation and real-world application. Vector addition. Explore the lures of technique for ending vector and understanding in practical implication in physics problem solving. Vector decomposition. Learn how to decompose vectors in their content and analyze their individual effects in physical systems. Vector addition and subtraction. Vector addition illustrates combining two or more vectors into a single vector. Vector subtraction explain the process of subtracting one vector from another, taking direction into account. Application of vector in physics. Number 1. Force and motion. Discover how vectors are used to represent force and describe motion in physics, particularly in Newtonian mechanics. Number 2. Engineering analysis. Explore the diverse applications of vectors in engineering analysis, such as structural design with dynamic and electric circuits. Number 3. Project moment. Understand how vectors are employed to analyze and predict the trajectory of projectiles, providing published insight in fields such as ballistic and missile technology. Conclusion and key takeaways. Consolidation knowledge reflect on the core principle and key concept taught through displays modulate to solidify our understanding. Number 2. Real-world reference consider how the learning from this topic can be applied to more for scenarios and skill and different roles. Future exploration. Be inspired to differ in application and implication of the physical quantities, unit speed, velocity, and vector in physics. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.